Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video, where I'll walk you through a powerful strategy to make Google's algorithm love your website. If you're looking for a way to drive significant organic traffic, create resources that users value, and rank higher on Google, then this video is for you. We'll explore a step-by-step process, complete with actionable tips to help you grow your online presence. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kelly. I am the marketing manager at YZ Vietnam. We offer outsourcing services to clients in the fields of fintech, e-commerce, and AI. Now, let's dive into the details. The power of free tools in SEO. If you want to win Google's favor, creating free tools is one of the best strategies out there.
Why?
Free tools inherently offer value at scale and provide exactly what Google wants: helpful resources for users. Unlike traditional blog posts, free tools have the potential to attract backlinks organically, which are critical for SEO. However, simply creating a tool isn't enough. To maximize your traffic, you need to follow a proven three-part strategy. This approach has powered some of the most successful organic traffic growth stories, and we'll break it down step by step. Part 1. Choosing the right tools to create. The first step in this strategy is selecting the right tools. Your tool ideas should meet two key criteria. They must be in demand and relevant to your business. Skipping either of these will undermine the entire process. For example, if your business offers keyword research tools, creating a free keyword generator aligns perfectly with your audience's needs while tying directly to your business goals. Here's how you can identify tool ideas. 1. Brainstorm keywords. Think of broad keywords related to your niche. If you're in personal finance, jot down terms like credit card, 401k, and mortgage. 2. Use a keyword tool. Paste these keywords into a tool like Ahrefs Keywords Explorer and filter for words such as calculator, generator, tool, and tracker. 3. Cluster ideas. Group similar keywords to identify unique tool ideas. For instance, 67,000 tool-related keywords might boil down to around 1,500 distinct ideas when clustered. Part 2. Building your tools. Once you've chosen your tool ideas, it's time to build them. Thanks to AI tools like ChatGPT, you don't need advanced coding skills or a hefty budget to create functional tools. For example, let's say you're building a Roth IRA calculator. Start by researching existing tools, noting key features, and testing their calculations. Then, use ChatGPT to generate the code for your tool. You can refine it further by testing and debugging the code using platforms like JSFiddle. To make your tools stand out, look for ways to improve it. Online communities like Reddit can provide valuable insights into what users are looking for. For instance, someone might request a feature to calculate how much they need to save monthly to reach $1 million, leading you to create a reverse Roth IRA calculator. After finalizing your tool, ensure it looks professional by styling it with CSS and creating compelling landing page copy optimized for SEO. Part 3. Driving backlinks with a tool hub. Backlinks are crucial for ranking your tools on Google. However, instead of chasing links for each individual tool, you can maximize efficiency by organizing your tools into a tool hub. This interconnected structure allows your tools to share authority through reciprocal internal links, amplifying their ranking power. For example, if your Roth IRA calculator page gains backlinks, those links will also pass residual value to other tools in your hub. Over time, this interconnected structure boosts the visibility of all your tools. Outreach strategy. To build backlinks, leverage your tool's unique features. For instance, if your Roth IRA calculator includes the reverse function, you can pitch it to websites that recommend financial calculators. Use tools like Ahrefs Site Explorer to find backlink opportunities and contact site owners with a compelling pitch highlighting your tool's unique value. Why this strategy works. This strategy works because free tools are inherently useful and people naturally link to valuable resources. As your tools rank higher and gain more backlinks, they send positive signals to Google, reinforcing your site's authority and driving even more traffic. Real-world examples, such as Canva and Veed, demonstrate the power of this approach. Both companies have successfully implemented tool hubs, leading to millions of monthly visits from search engines.
Summary.
To recap, making Google's algorithm love your site involves creating valuable free tools and organizing them into a cohesive tool hub. Follow these steps. 1. Choose tools that are in demand and relevant to your business. 2. Use AI to build and refine your tools. 3. Structure your tools into a tool hub and drive backlinks through outreach. By implementing this proven strategy, you can attract organic traffic, improve your rankings, and establish your site as a go-to resource in your niche.